Recovered by Big Mike. George jumper, no good. Rebounded by United. Yeah, he recovers it. This is the James. Who's that? 8:16 to go in the first quarter. Richard Jumper, yes, it's good for 2 against Big Mike. 2 is the score. Neighborhood Roofing by 2 points. 8 minutes to go in the first quarter. Turnover by Red. Joey against Mampanor. Pass the flip, back to Joey. Joey guarded by James. James, Joey takes his three, got to the basket, and he got pushed by Mampanor, number 24. That's Mampanor's first team foul
2-4
on Neighborhood Roofing. 2 shots for Joey.
2 shot. No, it was a shot.
First basket no good for Joey. One more. Second basket for Joey is good. The score is 4-3. 1 point lead, Neighborhood Roofing. 4-3. 6 minutes for the remaining in the first quarter. Mampanor, guarded by Melo. Passes it to Big Mike. Brings it out. Inside pass to George. And a pass by Mike to George for 2. Assist from Big Mike. 6 minutes, 20 remaining in the first quarter. Melo bounce by to Joe. Pass goes back to Joey. Joey guarded by Reynante. Flip, kicks. Dribbles. This is a shot, no good. Rebounded by George. George bringing down the ball. Decides to pass to James. James to Mampanor, his favorite shot on the side. 2 points by Mampanor, assist by James. Score is 8-3, 5 point lead by Neighborhood Roofing. 5 minutes 50 remaining in the first. Joey for 3. Yeah. 8-6. 3 point shot by Joey. Reynante to Mampanor. 10-6. 4 point lead, Neighborhood Roofing. Melo, pass to Richard, back to Melo, back to Richard. Richard, looking for a teammate, goes to Joey. Joey, drives to the basket, no good. Rebound by Joey. And he got fouled by... Oh, it's a jump ball. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Got 5 minutes, mandatory substitution. Mandatory substitution. The score is 10-6, 4 point lead by Neighborhood Roofing. George. Bounce pass to Mike. Mike turn around for 2. 12-6, assist by George. 2 points by Big Mike. 12-6. On turnover. Can the Blues record that turnover? And 2. George to Mike. Mike for 3. Yeah. 15-6. 9 point lead by Neighborhood Roofing. 4 minutes 15 remaining in the first quarter. Joey drives to the basket, lays it up, short. Mike rebounds it. Brings the ball down, passes it to George. George lays it up, but he got fouled by number 66. JV, that's first personal on JV, first team foul. On into the first 2 shots for George. Miss on the first shot. Second shot by George is good. It's now a 10-point lead by Neighborhood Roofing. 16-6. 3 minutes 15 remaining in the first quarter. Phoenix against George. Stealing by George. Passes it to Rico Mambo. To Paddy, to Rico. To Mike. Mike. To Paddy. Paddy decides to bounce pass to George. George gives it to Mike. Iba na matangkad siya. 2 points. 18-6. 2:45 remaining in the first quarter. 12-point lead by Neighborhood JV. Short. George rebounds it.
Shoot it! Shoot it!
Master, decided to pass it to Mike. Mike 17, pass it out to George. George stays. He got traveling violation.
Stop! George!
5 minutes!
JV.
Nice body! Stay now!
Joey drives it, lays it up for 2. Wow. All effort by Joey. 10-point lead, Neighborhood Roofing. 18-10. 18-8. 1 minute 40. Paddy for 3. 21-8. 30-point lead by Neighborhood Roofing. JV to Phoenix. Phoenix got fouled by
Right here.
number 65, George. That's his first personal, second team foul. All 20, who's foul?
6-5. 6-5.
Yes, it's 21 here, sorry. Hindi nakalink. So, hindi nag-update, sorry. Hindi ko talaga, ayan, 21. 21-8. Number 10, Paddy, that's Paddy's first personal. The score is 21-8, 45 seconds remaining. Yan. Mali rin yung oras eh. Don't forget the clock, huh? 35 seconds, foul on Winston. Winston's first personal, 14 foul.
Is that?
We have 25 seconds remaining. 20 seconds. Phoenix 2 shots. No good.
All right, last shot.
10 seconds remaining.
Paddy!
1 second. It's over. No, not counted. Not counted. 21-8 is the score. Joey for 3, no good. Rebound by Flip. Flips, taps it to the Miller. Steal. Flip all alone for 2. The score is 21-10. 21-10, 11-point lead. Neighborhood Roofing. Melo against Macanor. Seal by Reynante. Macanor. 23-10. 23-10. Joey. Clifford against Macanor. Boxing. Throws the ball. Point lead. Joe drives, passes it to Cliff. No good. Mike controls the board. Long time to Macanor, but Melo gets the steal. Melo to Joey all day for 3. 13.2 by
Red.
First timeout. Neighborhood Roofing, who's first timeout still for Roofing there.
It's right here.
First mahang ba to? Mahang.
7 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Richard Jumper, good for 2. I'm sorry. Waiting for Clifford takes. Decisive pass to Joey. Clifford for 3. Good night again with the rebound. 6 minutes to go in the second quarter. Good night, first.
Nice ball.
Richard. Okay, Richard. That's Richard's first foul. Second team foul on Richard. 5 minutes 35 to go to touch. So, that's pretty good. 5 minutes substitution. Stop. 27. And it goes back to the game by Big Mike. The score is now 28-17, 11-point lead by Neighborhood Roofing. JV bringing down the ball, passes to Phoenix. Phoenix to Joey. Joey against George for three. Long rebound by James. James passes to George. Waiting for Phoenix. That's
Right here. Ball. I got it, Chris.
That's James' first personal, first team foul on Neighborhood Roofing this quarter. 4 minutes to go in the second quarter. Kulang na lang po sa JB to Phoenix. Decided pass to Joey. Joey, long pass. Post-court pass to Asho. To RB. Phoenix. Drives to the basket. Throws it up. No good. George rebounds it.
Sobrang gagawin pa.
3 minutes 20 remaining in the first half. JV against Woodrow. Passes it to the wrong man. Big high. Passes it to James to Patty. Patty George for the lead. According to the resume, it's 28-19. Asho, no good. Phoenix recovers it. RB, no good. Score is 30-19. Tama ba tayo, Brad? 33-17, 16-point lead. Asho for 3. Wow! 33-20. Back to 13-point lead. Back-to-back lead by George for 3. 16-point lead again. Phoenix drives to the basket, lays it up. Blocked by Mike. Baseline throw, inbound. Joey. 4-3, no good. James rebound. 1 minute 25 things to remain in the first half. Score is 36-20. James for 3.
Alvin, isa lang.
Hindi yung pumasok na second. Babawi siya siya, no?
Joey drives, no good. George controls the board. 55 seconds remaining in the first Joey, no good. Rebounds it, follows it up. Nope. Ashong. Phoenix for 3. And out. George controls the board. 30 seconds remaining in the first half. 15 seconds. Almost through by James. 10 seconds. He got fouled.
Tayo pa kami?
36.
6 time out.
36.
Tell to the ref. Tell the ref. Tell the ref, not me. Tell them, not me. Balik ito ang commissioner natin.
Tama, blue.
6 seconds remaining. Para kasi time out, intuitive. That's their last time out in the first half. One more timeout still for Neighborhood Roofing. 6 seconds to go. 39-20 is the score.
So,
Here we go. 6 seconds remaining. Now, 5 seconds. Joey. Close it up. No, that's the end of the first quarter. Halftime score is 39-20.
are you taking under?
Where's the ball? Please give the...
Wala.
Madali lang. Big Mike to George. Welcome to the start of the third quarter. Big Mike posting up against Joe, who spins, takes the shot, no good. Joe with the rebound. George jumper, yeah, no good. I thought it was a strong lead. Big Mike. To James to George, pass to Renate for 3, strong, Melo control the ball. George crossing the half line, orchestrating the call, the plays. Against Clifford, Big Mike posing up against Joey, spins, no good. Richard rebounds.
Aaron Blue.
8 minutes 15 remaining in the third quarter. 39-20, no score yet in the third quarter. George. Gets inside, he got fouled by Richard.
5-6.
That's the first team foul of Neighborhood of Intuitive. Blue 33, Clifford. Second personal on Clifford.
Channeling.
Tackling on Big Mike. Clifford, second personal, okay? Second.
Ako ba yung una kanina?
Ha?
Point lead by Neighborhood Roofing. George, followed by Clifford. Double team, but passes James for 3. Melo rebounds it.
72.
72.
Two shot.
First foul on Big Mike, first team foul on Neighborhood Music. 2 shots for Melo. First shot by Melo is good, 24-39. Second basket for Melo is good, 39-25. 5 minutes, 35 remaining. George guarded by 2 defenders, pass it out to Reynante, to James. James brings it to the center to Reynante. Long cross-court pass to George. Lays it up using the glass. Richard rebounds. 39-27, down to a 12-point lead. Next dead ball would be a substitution. 39-27. George. Pass it to Big Mike. Big Mike. Okay, substitution. 4 minutes 48 remaining in the third quarter. The score is 39-27. 12-point lead by Neighborhood Roofing. Steal by Phoenix. Thirty-nine, 27, 4 minutes 23 remaining in the third quarter. Winston passes it to Patty for 3 short. Winston rebounds it but lost the ball. Jimmy, 4 minutes to go in the third. Against Victor. We got number 10.
1-0.
Second personal on second team foul on Neighborhood.
Kamay, kamay.
Big Mike, no, rebounded by Winston that misses the follow-up. 3 against 3, Sashon steals it. Second place now on Big Mike, third place now on Neighborhood Roofing.
Si Albert nakapaling na siya. Si George.
So the basket by Jamie. With 2 minutes 20 remaining in the third quarter. Big Mike jumper for 3, nope. Ball goes to Blue.
I go Phoenix.
Is it timeout? Timeout, Neighborhood Roofing. That's their first timeout in the second half.
to kuya first? Sakto lang. Super anal?
5 times labuyo yan.
Ay, ito ba? Ano? Ano pa tawag dito?
Habanero. And it's the red one. There's a yellow one.
Ito yung lagya, okay. 5 times ha?
Number 5 foul, that's Ash. That's a
Di yan hawakan
penalty
man.
foul.
Good pa rin.
First personal on Asha, 13 foul on Intuitive. 2 shots for George.
Retro ni George. Retro rin. Retro. Atas. Sablay.
First shot, miss.
Miss, miss.
Second shot for George is good. 40-36. 4-point lead by Neighborhood Roofing against Intuitive. 59 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Phoenix, Joey decides to Wilson, yes, with two, on an assist by Rico, 42-36. 42-36. Asha, 30 seconds remaining in the third. Joey. He got fouled by number 65, George. Second personal on George, 14 foul. 10 seconds to go. 5 seconds. That's the end of the third. The score is 40. Rebound by George. JV steals it. Oh, the full over by Red. Stopped by James. Good shots for Big Mike. 44-36. Clifford, nope. Mancano, rebound. Pass it back to George. 15-second shot clock. George, using the board, no good.
Red.
But JV got hit by the ball. Over by Big Mike. Score is 44-36. 8-point lead. Joey. 13. Yes. 44-38. 6-point lead. George. Using the glass. Richard rebounds. 2 against 3, JV. Almost a steal, 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Joey is out by number
72. 72.
That's the third personnel on Big Mike. First team foul on Neighborhood Roofing. Two shots for Drew. First free throw by Drew is good. 34-39. Second free throw, Joey, 44-40. George. Turnover. Joey crosses the half line. 15 second shot clock. Foul on
24.
Mangkanor.
Eddie na daw, Eddie. Mangkanor.
Eddie Mangkanor. Second personal on Eddie to team fouls on Neighborhood. Two shots for JB. Basket for net. 44-41. Second basket, also good, down to a 2-point lead. 34-42, 6 minutes 10 remaining. 15 second shot clock, Mike stands. Mike's got a good kick for the rebound. Melo! He got fouled. 24. Foul on Manong Eddie. That's the third personal, third team foul on Neighborhood.
Fourth quarter na ba to?
Yes, open substitution. Tama, Red.
Tama, Red. Timeout, Red. Ilan ang timeout nila?
Hey, that's your second timeout. Diba? Ito pala. Second timeout yan. Mga bigalo rin po, nag-timeout ko. Mga timeout ko rin.
6-9.
69, Rico. 14 foul. Nagkakaroon po ng third quarter. Saka ngayon. Yeah, nung nag-rally yung blue, nag-timeout kayo eh. First basket. 44-43. It's a tie ball game. 4-4-4-4. Mike against Joey. Jumper by Big Mike. Yes, clean for Whistle for 2. 46-44. JV. JV for 3. 37-46, 1-point lead for Intuitive. First time to score the lead for Intuitive. Good night, 15 seconds. He got fouled by number. Who's fouled? Who's fouled, Red? Oh, it's Richard's foul. Pakilala ni Richard yan. Third personal, Richard. First team foul on Intuitive, 2 shots for Big Mike. First basket for Big Mike is good, 47-47. Substitution. 3 minutes, 25 remaining in the game. It's a 5-ball game right now. Second basket for Big Mike is good. 1-point lead by Neighborhood Roofing. Last 3 minutes to go. Joey against George. 15 seconds. Joey with the foul by
George.
By George. Third personal on George, 15 foul on Neighborhood. They're already in the penalty. 2 shots for Joey. So the third round. It's a tie again. Atay. Last 2 minutes. Foul. Number 5, Ashong. Oops. Second team foul. Big Mike. George. Steal by Joey. 1 minute 40 remaining. Timeout.
Blue. Now blue.
Timeout blue. That's their first timeout. 48 all. 1 minute 28 seconds remaining. Let's play. Second shot clock. 10 seconds. Traveling. 1:14 remaining. It's a tie-ball game, 48 all. George. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Big Mike, short. Timeout.
6-9.
Is there a foul?
69.
69.
Right. Blue ball.
Bring the penalty.
Blue ball.
So 2 shots. 1-on-1. But they call the timeout, right, ref?
But he got a foul.
Foul first? Okay. And are you gonna call timeout? Foul first?
Yeah.
1-on-1.
I didn't hear the timeout.
Papakita lang.
Rico was the ball.
First basket by Judy is good, 49-48. Back-to-back free throws, 50-48. 50 seconds remaining in the game. Shot clock, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Big Mike rebounds it. George rebounds it again. Short. Red ball. It didn't hit the rim, right?
Hirap ang score.
15 seconds shot clock. Whoa, 2 points. It's a timeout, Blue. 14 seconds remaining. Hey, ref, help me with the shot clock, okay? I mean the buzzer, okay? Yeah, I mean the buzzer, the final buzzer. You judge whether it's counted or not. Okay. Foul on Big Mike.
72. Two shot.
Personal foul. 17 foul. But it's still a 2-shot, right? 2 seconds to go. Overtime.
Talaga referee, oh.
Clifford, DeMello, no good. Rebound by Big Mike. One timeout for each team. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Big Mike for 3. 53-50. Cooper for 3. Nope. George rebounds. Second shot clock. 10 seconds. Second screen on number 82. There's a penalty. They're in the penalty. No? Continuous, right?
Yeah, you don't shoot on the legal screens. It's a
Okay. My bad. Joey, yes, good for 2. Second shot clock. 10 seconds. Big Mike for 3. Short. Joey rebounds it. He got fouled by number 24. Is there 18 foul? 18 foul? 2 shots?
Two shot. 8. Ilang fouls na?
17 fouls, it's 2 free throws.
Two shots.
Wait na kayo. Fourth personal foul, Makano. 2 shots, so Joey. Still
Wala pa rin.
Hey, basket is good. 53 all. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Second shot clock. George jumper. Rebounded by Asha. 15-second shot clock. Clifford fakes. Pass to JV. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 24-second violation. One minute, 10 seconds remaining. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Reverse by JV ahead for 2. 55, 53, 40 seconds remaining. Now, on number 5.
Team foul.
That's your third team foul. 31 seconds remaining. George for 3. 56. Melon for 2. 1 point lead. 15 seconds remaining in the ball game. 10 seconds, steal by Clifford. 5 seconds. That's the end of the ball game. The final score. What an escape by
3 points ako. Dalawa lamang namin.
3 points ka na. Tama yung score ko. Tama. Tanungin mo sila.
Dalawa lamang namin. Nakashoot sila tayo lang.
Yung free throws mo, nandyan.